Blue Dart Express jumped over 6% after the company announced a general price increase effective 1st January 2025. The price hike will range between 9% and 12%, varying based on product specifics and shipment profiles. Shares of the National Aluminium Company surged 4% to hit a record high after brokerage firm Kotak Institutional Equities upgraded its rating on the stock to an add, citing an attractive risk-reward ratio. Angel One gained over 7% in trade today, a day after the discount broking firm revised its brokerage charges for cash and equity delivery transactions. The brokerage charges will be levied at a flat 20 rupees rate or 0.1% plus GST, whichever of the two is lower per executed order. IT services major TechM was the top gainer on the Frontline Nifty 50 index, jumping over 4% intraday as international brokerage CLSA upgraded the counter. The broking firm changed its rating on TechM to outperform from its earlier hold call. Paytm stock zoomed as much as 7% in trade today as Dolat Capital maintained its buy rating and increased its target price by a whopping 30% to 920 rupees per share. The brokerage believes that the business is resilient and positioned for extremely strong growth. Muthoot Finance shares slipped up to 3% intraday, a day after the Reserve Bank of India directed gold financiers to review processes, identify lapses, and take remedial measures within 3 months. According to the brokerage, this might weigh on their growth. Manappuram Finance also fell on the RBI directive. However, Morgan Stanley said that Manappuram Finance is better positioned to deal with this after being regulated for a long period in the past. Asian Paint shares fell in trade after a Macquarie equity research report highlighted weak demand trends for painting and adhesives in the second quarter. Other paint stocks fell as well, such as Berger Paints and Kansai Nerolac. Jubilant Foodworks announced that it had received a final assessment order from the IT department, raising a tax demand of 71 crore for the financial year 2017. The tax demand is related to certain transfer pricing adjustments. Bajaj Auto shares declined 2% as investors took partial profits off the table. This comes just hours after the 2- and 3-wheeler major declared its sales for this September. In the previous session, international brokerage UBS had given a sell call on the auto player.